Welcome back to Crypto Educator, folks. My name is Varun, and we'll be talking about three mindsets that you got to have if you are here and if you want to survive in these crazy crypto markets in the long terms as well, right? So, without any further ado, guys, hit that like and do share this video if you find value in this content as well, right? So, the first point right here is having an end goal for any trade or any investment, right? So, hear me out. I'm sure you must have gone through the feeling that, oh my god, I just secured a good fat ass position on XYZ crypto assets. I'm gonna pass this position on to my grandchildren and maybe even the people who are beyond my grandchildren, right? So guys, this is not the mindset that you got to have for a trade that's indefinite, right? So I'm talking about being definitive before jumping on to any trade. For example, if you are want to long Bitcoin right here onto these levels, what is your objective? Your objective is not supposed to be the fact that Bitcoin is going towards $50,000 level, so I have to have a position. No guys, no. Look, for this matter right here, your end goal is $50,000 per Bitcoin, but you are here in this market as a trader. So for example, for this one right here, what is $50,000 Bitcoin going to be? It's going to be 35 to 40% move to the upside. So that is your end goal, right? That is your end goal. And this is what you have to focus on. You do not have to focus on what is going on right here in terms of the price action and the price levels itself. If you are trading these markets, all right? Now if you are investing in these markets, that is the point that we'll get into pretty soon. But if you are trading in this market, having an end goal is something which is supposed to be there by default, guys, by default. If you do not have an end goal for any trade, you might jump onto the best looking position of all time, but without having an objective, most likely you lose the perspective for that position itself down the line, and maybe you'll end up capitulating in a position where it's not going to be really optimal for you as well, right? So having an end goal before jumping onto any trade and any investment is one of the most important things, right? Okay, so with this we can jump on to the next point right here, the second point right here. Focus on the percentage rather than the price, guys. Once again, if Bitcoin is going to $50,000 levels, that is going to be your 40% up move, and that is your percentage gain, guys. That is your percentage return. It's not going to be the fact that Bitcoin is going to go to $50,000 level, so I have to secure one BTC or two BTC positions right here in the market, so I go for that 100% 100% gains the market. No guys, look, essentially calculate all of these things according to your own equity. Don't try to get ahead of yourself, right? Now imagine taking one Bitcoin long position with with maybe $1,000 in equity, guys. That would be a 50x long exposure, and that means that you would get liquidated out of the market just with a 2% down move, right? So essentially, if you have the data right here, if you have everything confirmed in your own favor that we are going to be reversing and we're going to be making our way all the way for a 40% up move. I'm not talking about Bitcoin itself. I'm talking about all the crypto assets or any asset for that matter in any market. So you know the deal, and you found the setup for you, and you know that the asset is going to move up by 25 to 30% as well for that matter, right? So in this particular instance right here, once you're having those concrete facts in your hands, your focus is not supposed to be Chainlink is going to $25, Chainlink is going to $30, Solana is going to $50. No, guys, no. Look, you predetermined that this is the amount of percentage this asset is going to move by, right? So capitalize on that according to your own equity. Don't try to get ahead of yourself. Back again, guys. Don't try to get ahead of yourself. Once you know that you have a 40% up move coming in a particular asset, manage your system, manage your trade in such a way that you will be able to capitalize on that 40% movement, guys. And believe me, accepting that markets do move infinitely can ease out a lot of things in your brain, guys. Just have this perspective with your brain that markets are going to move infinitely. Markets will present infinite opportunities to you as a trader, guys. So rather than focusing on the price of any asset like Ethereum at 3,000, BTC at 60,000, focus on the percentage of the price movement itself, right? If you are trading these markets, guys. All right, I hope that made sense to you. So this is going to be your second most important point for the day itself, which is going to be focusing on the percentage rather than the price level itself. All right, guys. So next up, what do we have? We have separating out your investment mindset and your trading mindset. Now, the first 2 points that I talked about right here was all about trading mindset, right? things kind of change when you talk about investment mindset, guys. Look, if you are trading in these markets, you might come in at this level, this level, this level, this level, this level as well, this level as well, this level as well. Guys, basically, if you're trading the market, you can participate onto any levels right here. But hear me out. If you are looking at this market from a completely investment standpoint, like if you want to just pour in some money to the market and forget about it for maybe 10 years, or well, 10 years is a long horizon in crypto market itself. Let's talk about 5 to 10 years horizon. For that matter, you don't come in on these price levels or these price levels as well, as of now, right? For that kind of mindset, you come into the market onto these levels, onto macro opportunities, guys. The best thing which I can tell you right here is the 200 weekly simple moving average on Bitcoin itself, right? Now, if you have that investor mindset, look for the moving averages, look for the price action and what is the price averaging out. If you just take if you just calculate the previous 200 candles, guys, this is your moving average, right? This is how a moving average is calculated. So essentially, when you're investing in the market, come alongside the macro moving averages, come alongside the macro average price level on any asset. Do not jump in and out of the market if you are willing to invest. All right, guys, look, it's fine to take positions on a daily basis if you are trading the market, if you are actively participating in the market, and if you are sharpening your skills as well as a trader. But let's just say if you don't want to put a lot of work into understanding trading, and if you don't want to spend a lot of time in the market every single day, you have to focus on the investment mindset, guys. And first of all, look, guys, that comes with patience, right? Patience is a thing which I don't think crypto market can teach us. It is something that you have to understand yourself by your own. I don't know how to do that. I don't know how you would do that as well, but understand how patience work, all right, and be patient about stuff when you're talking about investments, and come alongside the macro levels, not alongside your daily chops or even weekly chops for that matter, guys. Come on to macro levels right here. Now this is separating out investment and trading mindset. And guys, look, let me completely honest with you guys right here. For at least 6 to 7 months, I was not able to do this. When I was new in the market, I was not able to do this, and I was constantly losing money, guys. Well, to be honest with you, I was trading my entire investment stash as well, right? I used to accumulate crypto assets and then I used to trade them as well. Now that is a REKT behavior, as I would like to call a REKT behavior. Do not mix and match your trading equity and your investment equity and keep them at single place and trade everything all together. No, guys, that's something completely absurd. All right, now this is something which I learned the hard way from the market, and I do think that I should share these things with you guys so that you don't go through all of this bullshit and maybe come out profitable in the long run, guys. Maybe sustain your grounds in the markets, right? And sustaining your ground in the market, it won't just simply come to you just like that. Nothing is fed into human brains by default. All right, guys, information can be seeded, and what you do out of the information is the only thing which can give you expected returns. That is what your investments and that is what your trades are supposed to do, right? A lot of heavy things for this video, right? But let me conclude this video by saying one thing, that if your equity management is haywire, essentially, if you are just constantly bringing about your investment stash again into your trading account again and again and again, I don't think it's going to work out, guys. I think if you want to be an investor in the space, coming on to macro levels and not touching your investment equity is something which will work out. Nothing else will work out, guys. If you want to trade the market, if you want to constantly participate in the market, take those long and short position every single day, just do that with your trading equity. Essentially, your play money, markets money. Remember one thing, guys, whatever sort of money is there in your trading account, remember this, whatever sort of money is in your trading account does not belong to you. It belongs to the goddamn market itself. This is how your trading portfolio is supposed to be, guys. Trust me when I say this, guys. Trust me when I say this. Now, investment is something that tells what your real net worth is, not your trading equity, guys, not your trading portfolio. And if you just want to go by the rule, go by the textbook rule, trade the 10% of your equity at maximum, at max, guys, because whatever sort of money is there in the market is going to be at risk. And if you are new in the space, if you have just decided for yourself that you're going to be a trader, these things will start hitting you hard after you go through various cycles for your own trading, guys. And then maybe you realize. So essentially, what is the point of this video? The point of this video is to just make you consciously aware of these things which might or might not happen to you. And if you keep these three things up your mind, there are 90 to 99% chances that you will come out profitable from the market, right? With this thought, I'm going to end this video right here. Best of luck for your trading and your investment perspective. And let me know down in the comments if you have any question regarding anything whatsoever. Even if it is shitcoin requests, just do that down in the comments. We will take a look at any of that technical analysis for that matter, right? Alright guys, I'm going to catch all of you in the next video coming pretty soon. Bye for now.